Introduction to Chemistry. Hey, Samson is here. I want to introduce learners or students to chemistry as a new subject. Since ancient times, we have experimented with the materials around us to feed, clothe, and shelter ourselves. What started as a satisfaction of our basic needs has now developed into the science of chemistry. Chemistry is one of the three branches of pure science, the other two being biology and physics. Chemistry deals with the composition, properties, and uses of matter. It probes into the principles governing the changes that matter undergoes. Studying chemistry. Our world is made up of matter. We study chemistry to acquire knowledge about matter. We perform experiments and learn to observe, record, and make intelligent inferences. Studying chemistry gives us training in the scientific method. This knowledge and training will help us to become scientists in the field of chemistry. Such scientists are known as chemists. How have chemists helped to improve our lives? Chemistry in our everyday life. We see chemical changes around us all the time. Familiar activities and happenings like lighting a match, cooking, burning firewood, making wine, rusting nails, rotting leaves. These are examples of chemical reactions. All the things we use every day, such as soaps and detergents for cleaning, hair cream and perfumes for grooming, oil and margarine, plastics for a wide variety of uses, they are produced by chemical processes. Scientific method. Over the years, chemistry, as well as all other fields of science, has developed through a series of discoveries. How do scientists make these discoveries? Scientists are very alert and inquisitive. They use their senses to observe what is happening around them. From a given set of observations, they see a certain pattern. This often leads to problems that they try to solve. They put forward a reasonable explanation or hypothesis and carry out appropriate experiments to test it. Then they carefully record their observations and results of their experiments. If the experiments support the hypothesis, they carry out further investigations. They discuss the hypothesis and results with other scientists in the field so that the hypothesis can be further tested. When a hypothesis has been tested and found to be correct within the limits of available evidence, it becomes a theory. A scientific law or principle is established only after the theory has been extensively tested and proven true without any exception. If the experiments give negative results, then the scientist goes back to his hypothesis and either modifies it or puts forward a new hypothesis. This way of studying a problem is known as the scientific method. It is the very foundation of all scientific research.